What is stock market? The stock market is a platform where stocks, also known as shares, are bought and sold. Stocks represent ownership in a publicly traded company. When a company goes public, it issues shares of stock that investors can purchase in exchange for a portion of the company's ownership and the potential to receive a share of the company's profits through dividends. The stock market provides a way for companies to raise capital by selling shares to the public, and for investors to buy and sell these shares to potentially make a profit. Stock prices are determined by supply and demand, with buyers and sellers negotiating prices based on their expectations of a company's future performance. The stock market is also an indicator of overall economic health and can reflect investor sentiment towards different industries and sectors. Different stock exchanges exist around the world, with the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq being two of the largest and most well-known exchanges. NSE and BSE are the two major stock exchanges in India. NSE stands for National Stock Exchange of India, and it was established in 1992. It is headquartered in Mumbai and is the largest stock exchange in India by market capitalization. NSE offers trading in equities, derivatives, currency, and debt securities. BSE, on the other hand, stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, and it is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It was established in 1875 and is also headquartered in Mumbai. BSE offers trading in equities, derivatives, mutual funds, and currency. There are several types of markets, including stock market, a market where stocks or shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. Bond market, a market where bonds or debt securities are bought and sold. Commodity market, a market where commodities, such as gold, oil, and agricultural products, are bought and sold. Currency market, a market where currencies are bought and sold, also known as the foreign exchange or forex market. Derivatives market, a market where financial instruments, such as options, futures, and swaps, are bought and sold based on the value of an underlying asset, such as a stock or commodity. Real estate market, a market where real estate properties, such as land, buildings, and homes, are bought and sold. Auction market, a market where goods or assets are sold to the highest bidder through an auction. Over-the-counter, OTC, market, a decentralized market where trades are conducted directly between buyers and sellers without the use of a centralized exchange. Each type of market has its own unique characteristics, trading practices, and regulatory requirements. Investors and traders may choose to participate in one or more markets depending on their investment goals and risk tolerance. Here are some interesting facts and trivia about the stock market. The first stock exchange in the world was established in Amsterdam, Netherlands in 1602. It was called the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, is the largest stock exchange in the world by market capitalization. As of March 2023, the total market capitalization of the NYSE is over $32 trillion. The Nasdaq, another major stock exchange in the U.S., is known for listing many technology companies, such as Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, also known as the Dow, is one of the most widely watched stock market indices in the world. It consists of 30 blue-chip companies, including Coca-Cola, Disney, and Goldman Sachs. The longest bull market in U.S. history lasted for 11 years, from March 2009 to February 2020. A bull market is a period of rising stock prices and optimism in the market. The largest one-day percentage drop in the U.S. stock market occurred on October 19, 1987, when the Dow dropped 22.6% in a single day. It is known as Black Monday. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, has never invested in technology stocks, despite their popularity in the market. The concept of a stock market crash comes from the idea of a market for fish, where a sudden drop in prices causes a crash of the fish market. The first company to reach a market capitalization of $1 trillion was Apple, in August 2018. There are several stock market indexes that track the performance of different sectors of the market, including the S&P 500, which tracks large-cap U.S. stocks, the Russell 2000, which tracks small-cap U.S. stocks, and the MSCI World Index, which tracks stocks from around the world,